There has to be a threat of physical violence. With no physical violence, if there's no physical violence, there's no accountability. White people don't hold people accountable with protesting. They hold them accountable with bullets, bombs, gas, poison, and murder.
Listen, we're not going to skip over what you just said. And it's that I think what you're, and again, tell me if I'm on with this. A lot of our previous historical leaders that were really big on nonviolence, one of the things that they told us or told our predecessors was, I want you to go into this fight, like you said, handicapped, but I want both your hands tied behind your back and you're still going to fight on our behalf.
Yeah. You coming with a picket. Look, you coming with us. You coming with a sign. They coming with a bullet. Right? You coming with a sign. You coming with a sign. You coming with, a bunch of people